Okay, Shurley method, 5th grade, page 5. This will be the part 1 recording. We're going to do exercises 1 and 2. For homework, you guys will do number 1. And then remember, we is not a subject noun, it is a subject pronoun. Okay, so number 2, talk to the 2 angry lions in the circus cage. So, who needs to talk to the 2 angry lions in the circus cage? You. And it's the understood subject pronoun. What is being said about you? Talk, verb. Okay, 2, preposition. To what? What kind of lion?
Angry adjective.
How many lions?
2 adjective.
The?
Adjective.
In?
Preposition.
What?
Cage. Object of preposition.
What kind of cage?
Circus adjective.
The?
Article adjective.
Pattern? Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. 2, the 2 angry lions
Prepositional phrase.
in the circus cage.
Prepositional phrase.
Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, it's in the natural and inverted order. I cheerfully played under our shade tree behind our house. Who played cheerfully under our shade tree behind their house?
Subject noun.
Subject pronoun. What is being said about I? Played. Verb. Played how? Adverb. Under? Under what? What kind of tree? Whose tree? Possessive pronoun adjective. It's possessive noun adjective if there's an apostrophe s. Behind? Behind what? Whose house? Pattern? Under our shade tree? Behind our house? Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. It would be between played and cheerfully. But is there an adverb exception? Yes, so then it would need to be moved to between I and cheerfully. Okay, is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural, so no change. He spit on Mom's clean floor after his dinner. So who spit on Mom's clean floor after his dinner?
Subject pronoun.
What is being said about he?
Sit.
Okay, on?
Preposition.
On what?
Floor. Object of preposition.
What kind of floor?
Clean. Adjective.
Adjective. Whose floor?
Mom's.
Possessive noun adjective because it ends with an apostrophe s. So after?
Preposition.
After what?
Dinner. Object of preposition.
Whose dinner?
His.
Possessive pronoun adjective. Pattern?
Subject noun. Verb. Pattern 1. Check.
On Mom's clean floor.
Prepositional phrase.
After his dinner.
Prepositional phrase.
Exclamation point.
Exclamation point.
So strong feelings, exclamatory sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. See and spit. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Okay. Then on exercise 2, they want us to unscramble the sentence. Okay. So you need to make sure that the sentence starts with what? Capitalization, has punctuation at the end, and then you put all of those in the correct classification, right? Okay, so 1 and 5 are for homework. Okay, and then on number 2, it was an imperative sentence because it's a command because they're telling what to do, right? So that should be changed.